Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Each player cares not only about their environment, but also about making their avatar as unique as possible. One of the modifications you can do is to wear several hairs at once to make a great combo style. In this video, I will show you how to wear multiple hair in Roblox. Let's go! Before you start, please note that this method only works in the web version of Roblox. Open your browser, go to roblox.com, and sign in with your account. Once the home dashboard loads, click on the three-line menu in the upper left corner and navigate to the Avatar Configuration page. From the toolbar, select the Head and Body and Hair menus, respectively. Here, you can already select a hairstyle from the list. To add another, click the Advanced Access link below, where you need to input the asset ID of your chosen hair manually. For a more efficient configuration, duplicate the current tab and open Roblox's Marketplace. Under Category, choose the Heads and Hair filters. Browse through the list and click on the desired hair. Please note that some hair is not free and may require a certain number of credits. Next, navigate to the address bar and copy the numeric value that represents the item's asset ID. Go back to the Configuration tab and paste it into the entry field. Keep in mind that Roblox only allows you to add up to 2 hair accessories. After specifying all necessary asset IDs for the selected hair, click Save to apply your changes. When the dashboard reloads, you'll notice that your avatar has been successfully modified. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.